Welcome to ClickAlgo Xen. This is your AI assistant for building cTrader trading tools. You can create automated strategies, custom indicators, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins, all without writing code. Let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to do a quick demonstration showing you the validation requirements feature of ClickAlgo Xen or cTrader Xen AI. Now, we previously created a CBOT or automated trading system, a MACD trend following strategy. These are requirements we fed into it. I saved it as a project. So if I go to projects, MACD trend, this is the code that is generated. So what I want to do is make sure that these requirements match the code that's come back. This is also very useful if you are making ongoing changes and you want to validate the code that's returned or the CBOT that's returned against the requirements. This is very important before you go live to make sure there's no missing features. So it's a very useful feature to use. And I recommend that you use it every time you're about to publish it to cTrader to test. Just make sure it matches your requirements. If you, for any reason, you added additional features, make sure your additional features are in the requirements as well, because it's going to check these requirements and make sure you've got in your CBOT exactly what you've got there. So what I'm going to do is go to verify build. So first thing you need to do is verify the build works okay. And once that's done, we want to click on the validate requirements button. We want to get our requirements that we had previously and put it in here. Now we want to check, make sure that our requirements match the code that's been returned by Xen AI. Now that's going to run and come back with a report for us. And this report will tell us how close we are to the original requirements. Okay, it's come back. If I scroll up, it says 78% of the core MACD logic is correct, but there are some missing features. If you read it, if you go through, if you pause the video, you can actually read this in more detail. And you say what's missing, an explicit guard to prevent duplicate same direction entries. It's very important that you only have one trade open at any time for this type of strategy. It also comes up with risks that are involved with it and recommended next steps, which are to add explicit same direction position existence, so only one trade at any time, and handle log trade operations. You don't really need that. Optional enforce unique label conventions, sort of optionally gate new entry until position closes. So you don't really need that. I mean, it's pretty close to the original requirements. There is one important factor that it didn't do, which was one trade at any in any direction. So that's what I want to show you. It's a very useful feature to use with Xen AI. At the same time, you can add additional features, make changes to your strategy or your indicator. And then at some point, you want to make sure that what you're requesting matches what you're asking for. It's very important that you always have your user requirements written down exactly how you want it. This prevents you from actually making mistakes, especially if you're using an automated trading system. Always make sure you add your entry rules, exit rules, inputs, and risk management and everything else in your document. And you want to make sure that the code that Xen creates matches that document before you publish it to cTrader and actually start using it with live money or anything like that. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you today on the video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much.